Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
There's now a rush on at the traffic court in St. Andrew as motorists with outstanding traffic tickets are seeking to get them paid.
At a press briefing today, the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services TODSS urged its members to follow suit.
Now, Jamaica Maitland was there and she has this Primetime News follow-up.
While we are waiting for a response, we are saying to our operators, find a way to pay your tickets.
From amnesty to payment plan to now a stern warning from President of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, Edgerton Newman, urging members to clear their outstanding traffic tickets as soon as possible. Mr. Newman says TODSS is now awaiting a response from the Transport Ministry about a payment plan proposal after the amnesty was shot down.
Officially, we wanted 6 months to pay off everything. But we met as a team, a number of groups, and we thought that we maybe, for those who have 1,500 tickets, will not be able to pay it off in 6 months.
The unease in the sector comes after the Island Traffic Authority ITA urged motorists to settle their outstanding tickets by December 1 or face jail time. It's caused congestion at the traffic court in St. Andrew, but ITA's Director Canute Hare says his comments may have been taken out of context.
What I said concerning December 1, it was an encouragement for persons to go out and pay it off because we really don't want, because remember, if you don't pay your traffic ticket, you have passed the tax office fee, you have passed the court fee, and it then becomes a warrant matter. And I really don't want road users to have to be facing a warrant in the month of December.
Meanwhile, at the traffic court in St. Andrew, irate citizens play musical chairs for the few available seats while complaining of the long wait time. From having to return on Wednesday to locating tickets and being delayed because of dozens of tickets issued to only one motorist. In the case of a transport operator who the police arrested for a traffic violation on Tuesday, he was brought before the court for reportedly having 496 outstanding tickets.
Their hands are tied and they need more staff. I need to have a night court and, judges changing shifts. I think that would really get the line down because today the line was long. I was here from 8:40.
And what time is it
now? And it is now 1:37.
It's the end of the business day, and court officials have just called the names of the last set of citizens who will see the only judge that's available at the traffic court at this time. Now, citizens told us that they've been waiting for hours, and even as the dreaded December 1 deadline comes closer, they told us that wait time could even be worse. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.